Want to transform your static Tableau dashboards into dynamic, user-driven experiences? Let's dive into creating interactive drop-down filters. First, locate the dimensions pane on the left side of your screen. These are the categorical fields you'll use for your filters. Now, drag the dimension you want to use as a filter, let's say, region, from the dimensions pane and drop it onto the filters shelf. A filter dialog box will pop up here. You can choose which specific values from that dimension you want to initially include. In your visualization for our region example, you can select specific regions or choose all. Once you've made your selections, click OK. You'll now see a filter control appear on your worksheet, but it might not be a drop-down yet. To change it to a drop-down, right-click on the filter control in the context menu. Select single value drop-down. This transforms the filter into an easily navigable drop-down menu. To customize the appearance, right-click the drop-down filter again and select Edit. Here you can change the title, background color, and font to make it match the overall theme of your dashboard. Now your users can explore different data subsets with ease.